Good morning, it's Mr. Drezac, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a little bit more with your sound, and because I noticed some of the sound on your videos is pretty low. There's something we can do pretty simply in GarageBand, and if we open GarageBand and create a new podcast episode, you can save that as whatever you like. And here's your podcast episode. First thing we want to do is import your sound that you have already in iTunes. So I need to go to audio, and down here I'm going to type in the name of my thing, which was voice message. Remember that. And I'm just going to click and drag that over to my male voice right here and import that. That'll take just a second. It wasn't a lot. Now, I'm going to scroll this over and delete the female track, and let's give a listen.
This is Christian.
Alright, this is Christian. Remember, the only thing I want to do right now with this is raise up the track volume. So I can do that pretty easily by just clicking on track volume on this little triangle, and then it gives me like a little rubber band here. Alright, and if I take that and give it a couple bubbles and then raise it up, I'm going to raise that volume up really nicely, and I should be able to hear Christian a lot nicer. And put my little headphones on. Here you go.
This is Christian.
Wow, that's much better. Okay, so I'm happy with the volume there. Now all I need to do is add my music. And you can still get your music for your jingles the same way that it has the same music in iMovie on GarageBand that iMovie has. So in order to get those jingles, I need to go here to my loop browser and go to Jingles. And when I go to Jingles, I can there's a whole bunch of different jingles you can choose from, right? Same idea here. You're just going to take it, drag it up to your jingle track, and come back and press play.
This is Christian.
You got to put on the headphones in order to hear it. And again, here we're going to click on this little triangle because we want to play with the volume. We want it's too loud, of course, right? So we're going to take it just like we did with Christian's, and we're going to take it down. All right, take it down, take it down, take it down. So it sounds like this.
This is Christian. I would tell the world it's a pretty peaceful place here. We have some pretty cold winters and some pretty hot summers. During the spring.
Great. Once I'm happy with that, my volumes are good. I can take this and I can loop it all the way to the end of Christian's sound there. And all I have to do now is share it. And I'm going to send it back to iTunes. So when I'm done, I'm just going to send song back to iTunes and iTunes playlist, which is great. And I'm going to share that as an MP3. That should take just a second. Now when you open your iMovie, you're going to go again to your media browser and look for your music in iMovie. And now you'll have one track with both the music and the voice on it, and that should be a lot more helpful for you and a little bit more professional sounding. All right, folks, we got to go. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know.